Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming.
All right, hey, right now we are at Gronk's Beach Bash here in Miami, Florida. And you know how Pure Romance is. We are always looking at networking and finding out how people can interact with the brand. And you know what better way? What about a Pure Romance vending machine? The first one ever. There's nobody that's ever done it. This is what you call having to get creative, right? You got to make some attention. You got to make sure that people know what your brand is. So people always walk up, what's a vending machine? What's in it? Hey, you know what's in it? There's a lot of love that's inside that vending machine. That's what we're doing down here. And all of the VIPs that are walking through here tonight are going to be able to interact with the brand. And they're going to walk away with a black bag of Pure Romance stuff. We got all kinds of stuff. So you know what? When they leave here, Miami's going to get real fun real quick. Pure Romance, baby. That's what we're doing.
Thank you, Patty, for starting Pure Romance and sponsoring our party. Everyone's having a great time. It's fantastic. See you soon.
The
gray head pink strawberry is the bomb.
Never stop dreaming.